Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome in if you're new here. I'm Ashley and this is Vintage Vibrations Jewelry. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of an estate sale I went to. I have not seen most of these items. I was looking at the table when the lady came up and had a conversation with me. She was 70 years old. She needed Christmas money. She just became her husband's primary caregiver, so she offered me one price to take it all. And I love jewelry, so why not? It helped her out, and I'm going to have fun going through this box. We'll probably have this in a 2 or 3 part video, but let's go ahead and jump into it. This I wanted to show first because she was so proud of this. These are paper beads. We've all seen these, but I've never heard someone tell the story. She was so proud of these. She made them all out of Reader's Digest, and she was just thrilled that somebody else was going to have them. Then we have this little parrot brooch. I just signed something back there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see, but maybe y'all can. It's really cute. If you're interested in purchasing anything you see in this video, my email will be in the description below. I will also put it in the comment section and pin it to the top. And if you have any questions about like measurements or anything like that, we can do that there also. And then we have this, feels like black glass and mother of pearl beads. And, oh, there's a bracelet attached to it too. Cute. She had everything all bagged up almost, or on cards. She displayed everything so nicely. And let's see here. I'm just going to take one of these out. They're kind of dirty, but they're both there. They may clean up. We have these earrings here. And these here. They're very pretty. I don't know if you can see. They're green with clear screwback earrings. We have an Avon butterfly brooch. These are her prices on here. These will not be my prices. We love AB, or I love AB. We all love it, don't we? Can't you all just admit that you love AB? It's so happy. It's stapled right there, so it's got the matching earrings. Beautiful. Well, I'm sorry about all the bag noise. I didn't think this through. For the next part, I promise I will take them out ahead of time. Those are cute statement earrings. It's been a while. I'm out of practice. I should have unbagged all these first. We have a stick pin. It looks like milk glass. Or no, it's probably a faux opal. And so this can go on a bolo, but it's also a brooch, or you could put 2 strands in there. That's cute. There are these earrings. There are some cloisonne earrings in a pendant set. And I may come back with another video and put pricing on whatever's left after. I just wanted to get a look at what was in here. Here's a pair of little leaf earrings. And some hoop earrings. Another pair of screwback earrings. An empty bag. Another pair of screwback earrings. There we go. And let's see here. Little red dress. trying to not tangle it up as I'm taking it out, but I'm not doing that great of a job. There's a lot of jewelry in this box. And so much for not tangling it. So we got a fish that looks like he is made of bone. And then we have a vintage. I don't remember who this is. I love when we find these in silver tone. There's way more gold tone out there than the silver. And then we have some more AB crystals. They're so pretty. And there's a little bracelet attached to this one. And that's a beautiful tiger's eye. I like that one. And then we have some gemstone earrings here. Some black glass. This is a long strand. And a little bird with some flowers. And that one says Reed and Barton. I've never seen this before, but that's brilliant. To put your chains in the straw so it doesn't get tangled. So smart. And this is an Avon. So a few of these I will list. They will probably mostly get lotted up. But like I said, I just really wanted to help her out. She was so sweet. And I loved having a conversation with her. That one's cool. No marks on it that I see. Very good condition though. Alright. Let's see here. There is a silver tone brooch. I don't see any signatures on that one. And like some plastic pearls. Some plastic beads there. And a beautiful butterfly brooch. Yes. Love it. So pretty. And we have rhinestones. Let's see. They appear to all be there. More screw backs. Some fun hoops. Gold tone brooch. Avon. That one either has some verdigris or crusty in it right there. I'll try to see if I can clean that off. This one's pretty. There's just a bead there. I'm trying to not take them out of the bag so you don't have to suffer through hearing the bag rattle. This is like a ceramic. With a little smiley face. Some beads here. A little bowling pin. Some little tie tacks. These are pretty. Oh, they're pierced. I wasn't expecting that. There are some silver hoops with a little black stone in there. Do I like these? These are different. I'm going to open the bag. Try to do it away from the camera. These are very different. And let's see. Some more gold tone statement earrings. Those have a lot of wear. I know I'm moving quickly, but there is so much in this box, and I'm trying to get through half of it so we can do it in just 2 videos. Check out these. There are some more plastic beads. And just a little silver tone. I just seen a loose rhinestone in there, I think. Yeah, there's a rhinestone in there. I'll look at it and see if there's any other missing. I can put that one back in if that's the only one. There's that one. Sorry, I'm trying to look to the side of the camera. Those look like they could be sterling. There's a lot of tarnish on them. Little dangly earrings. And those are cute little faux pearls. What in the world is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. It doesn't feel like glass, but it doesn't feel like plastic either. It almost feels like wood. Oh, it's broken right there. I don't know. Interesting. There's a watch. I know nothing about watches. Definitely had a variety of style here. A little all over the place. This looks like somebody's project, but it's missing stones. And then there's this one. I don't know. All right. Those tags that were down in the box. So far, my favorite pieces are the AB glass and then this yellow glass I put to the side. More plastic beads. Some silver tone hoops. Those are kind of fun. Look like Chico's or something. These are like a lucite. Oh, I don't like these. These want to get tangled in everything, and they never lay right. The floating pearls. Or I've never had a strand. I've had real pearls, and they still don't lay right. There is this one. Gold tone. Has a hook closure. Oops. Sorry about that, y'all. I bumped the camera. Okay. We're going to do one more handful, and then I think we'll cut it off for today. So we'll make it a kind of a big handful. Because Peyton is ready for dinner. A lot of these are just the cards, I guess. As people were shopping through, they got taken off. What is that, for a scarf, maybe? Some little hearts and faux pearls, and Avon Rose. Uh-oh, stuck to the tape. Some seed bead earrings. More cloisonne, however you say it. Little button earrings. This one's cute. Falls over. It's JJ. That one's cute. I like that one. I should have left the AB out. I was going to show you my favorite pieces at the end, but the AB was fun. There's that one. It says this on the bag. There's a little gemstone ring. And a little gemstone brooch. I like those stones. They're pretty and pink. And a little tie bar. And another one. Friendship warms the heart. That one's cute. And here is a long gemstone necklace. I love looking at all the different stones. I will never memorize all the names to them, though. There's so many. Oh, there was the card of the parrot brooch. There's this one with some faux pearls. It looks to be all there. And I got a bonus hair. Yuck. Oh, there's one of these. It's a magnetic fastener and it's an extender. Those are handy. These are very lightweight, probably plastic. Let's see. There is this gold tone one here. I've not really been checking for names or anything, but nothing's really popped out to me other than this little brooch here and then the glass. And I always love glass. This is a Sarah Coventry chain, double chain. There's another black glass. So we have the long one and the short one. Go ahead and set that one over there. This thing is filthy. Christmas ornament. And we got some red glass. All right. So we had a long string of black glass. 2 of the AB coated glass, and then these here, and those are my favorites. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get into the next half of the box. I don't know when, maybe tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.